Good day everyone and welcome to my succulent cake tutorial. Join me as I show you how I made this cake. Start by taking ready-made edible lace from crystal candy or make your own lace and paint it with Inca Gold. I used confectioner's glaze and Inca Gold metallic dust. I repeated this step for all my lace pieces and set them aside to dry. Next step. I took some white royal icing and painted it onto the back of my lace pieces. You can skip this step and simply wet your fondant to stick the lace, but I wanted to make mine extra secure. I then put my lace onto my marbled fondant covered cake and repeated the process around the entire cake. The top tier is slightly smaller and covered in grey fondant. I decided to stencil on this cake using our Geo Mesh stencil. Pin the stencil in place and then use Inca Gold piping gel to stencil on the cake. I did this on all four sides. Stack the two tiers of cake and start making the decorations and embellishments. I started by using succulent moulds with leftover greenish blue fondant. Press your fondant into the mould, making sure that you fill every little crevice. Continue making enough flowers for the entire cake. I also decided to make a rope for around the cake between the two tiers. Using the same fondant, I filled the mold and placed all my molds in the fridge to firm up. Remove your rope embellishment from the mold, as well as all the succulent flowers you have made. After a few minutes in the fridge, they should be firm and easy to remove from the mold. I placed my rope embellishments around the cake, gluing them in place with royal icing. I painted them with Inca Gold using the metallic dust and confectioner's glaze. Start dry dusting your succulents. You want them to look natural, that's why I used a combination of luster dust and So Intense food colors to dry dust the flowers one by one. Place your flowers on the cake as decorations and glue them in place with some royal icing. I decided on using an ice mold cake topper for my cake as well. And then I was done. That was loads of fun. Thanks for joining me in this video. Until we see you next time.